Silvester from rusticguitar.com. So if you're beginning to play guitar, I mean you're just starting new and you're all excited about playing songs, so there will be several very useful habits that will help you jumpstart and really fasten up your progress in guitar playing when compared to playing things or learning things just the way they are. So in this video I'll be sharing those examples, those habits, that good habits. So the first good habit would be tapping your foot along the beat of the song and also naming the beat. So at any song, so just tap into the foot. You don't need to do this while you are practicing guitar, but when you're listening to music on the car, on the road, just recognize the beat and tap your foot along with the beat and try to get the groove on going. So then count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this habit will create a sense of rhythm, inner rhythm for you. It's good for you as a musician, and it's also good for you as a music lover. So both are good. And second of all, the second habit would be keep tapping your foot along while you are playing the guitar. So this may seem hard at the beginning, and somehow it is hard because if the rhythm part is partly complicated. But the thing is, while it is hard, it is also the one thing that will keep you keep you guided throughout the song, while not so that you're not lost at any part of the song because you're playing complicated rhythm parts. So this takes a while to get used to, but it's definitely the habit of pro musicians, tapping along your foot while you're playing the rhythm of the guitar. And okay, the third habit, which is do not stop if you're making a mistake in the middle of the song. So at the beginning of learning any songs, you're gonna make a mistake somewhere in the middle. Maybe you forgot the chord, maybe you change between the chords too late, or maybe A to Z. All kinds of mistakes happen. But what's more important is that you keep on playing the song, keep on tapping your foot to the beat, like keeping in the rhythm, and keep on singing until the end of the song. And why, you might ask? Because this way you're instilling a habit that will enable you to finish out a song. Because if this is my personal experience from my year-long guitar playing. So if you're stopping when you're making a mistake and you're redoing it from the beginning again, you'll never finish the song. I guarantee you. By the 10th or 20th time you've done that routine, you'll be bored and you'll drop your guitar and maybe you'll just move on to the next song. You'll never finish your song. So this habit will enable you to finish a song. So, and I'm not advocating sloppy play here, because we need to address that difficult part later on, but not now. So after you finish a song, then you get to work only on the part that's difficult for you and make it right. But don't stop in the middle of the song. This is really important. Okay, so and what happens if the beat is just too fast for you to play along, or it's just too hard? Okay, slow down the tempo. Grab your metronome and just manually slow down the tempo until it's comfortable for you to play it correctly. Just slow down the tempo, like maybe the tempo is like 120. I could like literally slow it down until 60, like half of the tempo, for me to be able to really get the sense of my foot tapping along, and I can count the beat, and I can play the rhythm, and I can really know where the rhythm lies really nicely, and then I'll gradually increase it 5 tempo at the beat, 10, quick, because like once you nail it, it becomes far easier to increase the tempo. Okay, and the fifth habit is also immediately recognize when it's hard for you. When it's hard for you to do it at 100 BPM, then don't spend too much time trying to get it right at 120 BPM. Don't. It'll just instill a wrong muscle memory to your hand, because you can't do it right. So like subconsciously you're repeating the same mistake over and over again, and you're just making your finger record and get used to that mistake. So immediately recognize, okay, this is too hard for me, lower it down immediately. So that's my tips, and this video is part of a complete step-by-step free tutorial, free guide on how to play any song on a guitar for beginner. And so on that article, I'll be guiding you from step 0, from your first day of grabbing up the guitar, until you're able to play the guitar, to play any songs on the guitar. So on each step, I'll be explaining it clearly and giving you examples, video examples like this one, to clarify what I mean, so you could keep along and like really understand it like the way it's supposed to be. Okay, if you'd like to learn any song on a guitar, check out rustyguitar.com/lessons. Okay, and write down your comments below in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and push the notification button. Have a great time browsing YouTube, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.